Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. My love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, our lesson is about the volume of pyramids with regular bases. And this is a guide to calculation and formulas. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. What is a pyramid? It is a three-dimensional solid with polygon as its base. A triangular faces rise from the sides of the base and meet at a single point called apex. Okay, so this is the face of a pyramid. So we have here, or the parts, we have the apex, the face, and the base. Of course, we have also the height, right? Now, the general formula of the pyramid is equals to V is equals to 1/3 BH, where V is the volume, and B is the area of the base. H is the height of the pyramid, that is perpendicular distance from the apex to the base. Now, here are the key steps for calculating volume. First, calculate the area of regular polygon base or polygonal base, which is B. The number 2, identify the height of the pyramid. 3, use the general formula, which is V is equals to 1/3 BH to find the volume. And remember, the most important step is finding the correct formula for the base. In calculating the area of the base, first, so we have the square base, formula B is equals to S squared. We know that the square has the same side, no? So S is the side of the length of the square. For equilateral triangular base, so the formula is 1 or square root of 3/4 S squared. Now, S is the side length of the triangle. Okay, so let us continue. So, for example, we have the square pyramid. Find the volume of the square or pyramid with a base length or side length of 6 centimeter and a height of 10 centimeter. Now, for the area of the base, so we know that a square has 4 equal sides. So, S times S or S squared, that is 6 centimeter square or 36 square centimeter. Now, to get the volume, so from the formula, V is equals to 1/3 base times height. So that is equals to 1/3 times 36 centimeters squared times 10. That is 360. 36 times 10, that's 360. Okay. And then divided by 3. So we have 36 divided by 1, 3. Then we have 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So we got a 0. So this 0 must be up. So our answer is correct, 120 cubic centimeter. Now, for the pentagonal pyramid, so we have the volume. The volume of the pentagonal pyramid, so we have the formula volume is equals to 5, 6 times A, B, H, where A is the apotheme and B is the base and H is the height. Now, what is a pentagonal pyramid? So it is a three-dimensional solid with a pentagon as its base. Triangular faces rise from the base to meet at a single point or apex. Now, from the volume of inner pyramid, so the volume of inner pyramid is 1/3 of the base area multiplied by its height. So this is the general formula. So gagamitin po yan kahit sa ang pyramid. Now, let's the challenge. So we have here the pentagonal base is a polygon, not a simple shape like a square. The method depends on the information you have. So for example, regular pentagon, which is the apotheme and the side length known. So the formula here is base is equals to 1/2 times P times A. Now, for where perimeter P is the perimeter of the base, that is 5 times S, where S is the side length. And A is the apotheme, where is the distance from the center of the pentagon to the point of the side. Okay, so remember we have 1/2 times P times A. Now, here are the steps in step-by-step process in solving the volume of a pyramid. So first, identify the information. You need to determine the height of the pyramid and the dimensions of the pentagonal base, which is the side length and the apotheme. Okay. And the number two, calculate the base area. So the base area is use the appropriate formula for regular pentagon. That's based on the information in the step one. Okay, and then third, compute the volume, plug the values of base and the height into general formula, which is 1/3 times base times height. Okay, example. Problem, find the volume of regular pentagonal pyramid with a base side length of 6 centimeter, an apotheme of 4.13 centimeter, and a height of 8. So here are the given. A side is 6 centimeter, A is equals to 4.13 centimeter, and height, which is 8 centimeter. So step one, calculate the base perimeter. So for the perimeter, we have P is equals to 5 times S. So that means equals 5 times 6. That's 30 centimeter. Step two, calculate the base area. So for the base, we have 1/2 times P times A. So that means 1/2 times 30. No? So from the perimeter times 4.3, which is the apotheme, that is 61.95 square centimeter. Then step 3, calculate the volume. For the volume, we have 1/3 times base times height, that is 1/3, times 61.95 times 8, that's equals to 165.2. Okay, now, how do we get this one? Okay, so 61.95 times 8 divided by 3. That's why we get this answer. No? We get this answer. So remember, or you multiply then times 1/3. Okay? Okay, so let us find the volume of a pentagonal pyramid given the side, length, apotheme on its side. So round off your answers to the nearest hundreds. So let us solve number one. Okay, so let us solve this first. So we have the side, which is 1 meter. The apotheme is 2 meters. Okay, we put S meters, and then the height is 3 meters. Okay, so first we need to solve the perimeter. The perimeter is equals to 5S. Okay, so this is a pentagonal, so that means it has 5 sides. So we have 5 times 1 meter equals 5 meter. Okay, then solve for the base, which is 1/2 times P times A. Okay, so P is the perimeter and A is for the apotheme. So 1/2 times 5 M times the apotheme, which is 2 meters, so that times 2. That's equivalent to 1/2 times 10 square meter. Okay, so 1/2 of 10 is 5. So that means that our answer is 5 square meters. So the base is 5 square meter. Now you're ready to solve for the volume. So from the original formula, which is 1/3 times base, no? So the big B and then times the height, the H. Okay, so we have 1/3, which is times 5 square meter times 3. The height is 3 meters, so 3 meters. Okay, so we got 5 times 3 is 15. 15 cubic meter divided by 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So therefore, the volume of the first or the pentagonal is 5 cubic meter. Okay, that's it. Now let's continue. Okay, so let's have this example, the hexagonal pyramid. So a regular hexagonal pyramid has a base side of 4 centimeter and a height of 8 centimeter. Find its volume. So first we have the base area, which is square 3 square root of 3 divided by 2 is squared. So since our side here is 4 centimeters, so 3 square root of 3 times over 2 times 4 squared. So that is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. So 48 divided by 2, that's 24. That's why we get this answer. Then find the volume. So from the volume formula, which is 1/3 base times height, so you have 1/3 times 24 cube root of 3 or square root of 3 times 8. Now, saan nakuha yung 8? So, it's from here, the height, okay? So, therefore, 8 times 24 equals 8 times 24. So, 24 times 8. We have 32, 2, 3. So, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Okay. 19 divided by 3. That is 19 divided by 3, that we have 6. 18. We have 13. Yeah, there at 12. 4. So we get 64. That's why we get 64 here. Square root of 3. And then if we get approximately, if we extract that, that's about 110.85. All right. Okay. So if we have here the picture of hexagonal pyramid. So how are we going to solve the hexagonal pyramid? Okay, so find the volume of hexagonal pyramid given the side length and its height. So you may post a video or we can do it in the classroom, okay? Now remember, so this is for your journal writing. Explain the saying above in 100 words. If they can build pyramids without machines, you can build your life without excuse. That's true, no? So be good, do your life, and live your life well. Thank you so much. God bless you all.